Hello, welcome to video 4 on our camping theme. In this video, I share with you 2 fun activities you can do with your kids in your classroom or at home. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Hello guys, welcome back to video 4 on our camping theme. In this video, we're going to start out with a gross motor activity. For this activity, all you have to do is go gather firewood. What you will do is have the children gather as many sticks as they can and then create their own little campfire. Once your campfire is built, don't forget to save this for our second activity. The second activity is cooking beans on a pot. For this activity, you're going to practice counting and fine motor skills. So what you will do is create cards or flashcards, whatever you want to work on number-wise, and have them count that many beans into the pot. After you're done counting, they can use this either in the home center or they can just free play with this and pretend that they are cooking their beans over the campfire that they built. Thanks for watching those ideas. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.